Entertainment is a very valuable piece of society that I think people overlook. They often think that's the extra, we don't really need that. But if there's one thing the pandemic taught us, entertainment is a valuable place for bringing people together, for mental health, and just for our overall thriving society. I'm Derek Ham, Director of the Entertainment Technology Center here at Carnegie Mellon University. This is a program that was formed between computer science and the arts. We have creatives coming from so many different sectors of the arts. We have technologists coming from mechanical engineering to CES to work on projects from gaming, location-based entertainment.
It's a really unique program that gather all kinds of people with really different backgrounds to make something interesting.
You never know when in a project that those backgrounds will come into play. That's what makes it exciting.
We've identified a very unique intersection of the way people interact with pets. If you think about physical pets, we've owned pets for years. One of the things that's missing when we go to the digital is the sense of touch, tactility. So that became the ultimate prompt. How do you take the intersection between being able to touch something that's physical and then being able to play with something that's digital?
So we have this physical plush where there's 3 sensors embedded inside and you can interact with it, and the Bluetooth will give out the signal to the Apple Vision Pro and it will show different kinds of animation.
Everyone's very interdisciplinary. Jerry, he's our main gameplay programmer. There's Paige. She's been doing technical art, things like shaders and VFX. Sophie is our main animator. Joy's done the sewing component. Brian, he's been making the chips that go inside of our plush.
A lot of it is trial and error. If our team missed a single member, I don't think we would have been able to do it.
In our first semester, we all have to take a class called improvisational acting, and I'm surprised at how often lessons from that come up again and again. Every step you have to be ready to improvise.
Being interdisciplinary is the future. It's just something that CMU does, not just here at the ETC, but across the university. Some of the trickiest problems that the world is facing in the future really does require people to work together. When I saw that sculpture of people walking up a pole, you might roll your eyes and are like, oh, that's just like a metaphor. I really feel CMU embodies that sky's the limit mentality. And when I talk to people, they are willing to say, we don't know yet, but let's work together and let's try to find what that solution would be and not letting the unknown be the limitation to how we think and how we do things here.